Are you looking to clean up your Instagram account and get rid of some unwanted followers? If so, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily remove followers on Instagram in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap on Followers, and it will show you all of the people that are following you. So scroll through this list and find people that you want to remove. You can also tap on the search bar up top and search for them. Once you find someone that you want to remove from your follower list, simply tap on the Remove button next to their name. And then tap on Remove one more time. And that will remove them from your list of followers. They will no longer be following your account, and they will not know that you removed them because Instagram does not notify them that you did this. You can repeat these simple steps to remove any followers that you do not like. But do keep in mind that they can still follow you back even if you remove them. So if you want to make sure someone is never going to follow you, you simply have to block them on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.